Hello guys, this is me Jayco and welcome back to my channel. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nagkikita, no? Nagkikita. Hindi dito sa vlog because I've been very busy sa mga ganaps ng mga showbiz, MediaCon and all that stuff. But syempre no, kaka-release lang ng new single ng SB19. It's called Visa. So I'm very excited to it. And ito na, nandito na siya sa isang phone ko. And meron akong headphone dito. So sabay-sabay natin ito pakinggan. Tara, samahan niyo ako. And I can't wait dahil it's 3 minutes and 43 seconds. So, hihimay-himayin natin at kung kaya kong himayin, no? Dahil syempre, no, gusto ko siya talaga pakinggan ng all throughout but siguro maging LSS din na naman ako dito for sure. So, it's gonna be, very exciting. So, let's start. Okay, start na guys. Sorry, hindi ko siya ma-share sa inyo because copyright and all. But let's play. Oh my god. I love the instrumental. Instrumental. I love the intro. Si Ken. Eh, may word na ano? Wait lang. Hindi, grabe yung intro ng Visa, can I just say? Talagang grabe talaga. Tatak SB19 siya. Parang bibigyan ka talaga niya ng iba't ibang flavor sa mga kanta nila. And it's very exciting. And it's a new experience, di ba? It's a new ride for their music Visa. And grabe si Ken, siya yung una ditong kumanta. And merong word na natawa ako na ewan, but astig. Ang galing. I think si Pablo to, no? Ang ganda ng... Of course, it's a rap song. Medyo fast siya. Hindi ko siya kayang sabayan. But grabe yung indak. So, si Josh na yung kumakanta. Pablo. Gusto ko yung bang, bang, bang. Wow, I like it. I love that Pablo, yung part ni Pablo. Wow. Very rhythmic, melodic talaga. Wow. Wow. I love it. I think si Justin yung kumakanta ng Noy, Pinoy, 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 yeah. Wow. It's very Pinoy culture as it at is at as at its finest. Ano ba yan? Nag-English pa ako. Oh my God, SB19. Si Stel. Alam mo, I can't wait na makita yung lyric video nito or makita kung ano ba talaga. Siyempre, when you first listen to it, parang yung ano mo lang is yung pahimay-himay na mga lyric, but I want to see the full lyrics talaga. Wow, high notes. Excuse me. Ang ganda ng boses ni Ken, no? Parang grabe, ang baba na, ang lamig, buo, astig. Wow, I love the falsetto. Wow, ang powerful ni Ken dito sa part na 'to. Magaling! Singer. Gusto ko yung after ni Ken tapos si Pablo na parang powerful and then powerful din yung mga boses. Bis, baka kailangan lang ng bisa. Kasi alam ko naman, SB19, ang tatalino talaga ng mga ano nila dyan, ng mga lyrics nila. Parang, I don't know if it's kailangan ng bisa or kailangan ng bisa. You know, it's a double meaning. Noy, Pinoy, 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 piye. Noy, Pinoy, 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 piye. I love that. After, I love that. Parang may something. It's kinda, parang bago na lang ginawa yun na may ganong atake. Pakinggan nyo na lang. Ang galing ni Pablo. May tawa part ah. I knew it! May something din na sound doon nung nag-live sila. I don't know if it's ano, parang connected, but I heard something. Ang powerful ng boses ni Ken, my God. I love it! Ang ganda nung part ng dulo, parang maiindak ka talaga and at the same time, tatak SB19, tatak Pinoy, tatak Pinoy na pwede mong ibandera sa masang masang Pilipino and at the same time to cater the world na ito ang musikang Pilipino. Why, Pek, wala pa ring dating! Oh my God. Oh my God. Alam nyo, I think I have to listen. Sorry, basa yung buhok ko. Kakaligo ko lang. I have to listen it again because ang sarap niya pakinggan kapag buo. Because, syempre, no, it's a reaction video and I just want to show my excitement, show the parts of the members of SB19 um how they did their parts, and oh my goodness, nag-highlight sa akin yung vocals and yung rapping skills talaga ni Pablo and yung vocally powerful talaga buong buo ni Ken. So nag ano sa akin yung dalawang boses nila and yung Noy Pinoy 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 Piye, Noy Pinoy 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 Piye. Wow. Doon pa lang alam nyo na merong pinapa-feel ang SB19 na this is the music of OPM, of Filipino music na pwedeng i-lift para i-showcase ito around the world. Can I just give them a clap and oh my God, Visa, you know, the meaning of it, the song, it's very powerful. May may ano siya, meron siyang boses na pang Pilipino to. I don't know, but kasi yung SB19 talaga, their cater kinikater talaga nila ang mga wikain ng mga Pinoy, as in like mga lengguwahe natin na Pinoy or Tagalog, yung mga malalalim, na hindi pa rin talaga nila, kumbaga hindi nawawala at binibigyan pa rin talaga ng importansya. And that's really matters talaga in this generation because a lot of us, lalong-lalo ng mga babies, talagang, 'di ba, super English spokening dollars na yung mga babies nila. And hindi naman sa against ako doon, but talagang minsan talaga nawawala na yung mga Tagalog na malalalim. And SB19 is doing their best and their job para ulit, i-resurface yung mga Pinoy um, mga words. Oh God, ang galing ng arrangement, the music instruments, ang galing talaga. It's a new taste, it's a new flavor, and I love it. Visa out now by SB19. Ang dami ko nang sinabi and all, but let me share. Can you please share your thoughts and your experience nung napakinggan nyo ang Visa on the comment box section down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe sa mga di pa nakasubscribe. Jay Kumanangan TV, thank you very much. Love you and see you sa April at sa mga ibang ganap ng SB19. Dito lang sa channel ko. There's a lot of updates here. You can check it out. Thank you very much.